नमस्कार दोस्तों। वेलकम टू चार्ट्स पे चर्चा। मैं आनंद मेरे साथ विजय। वी आर बैक आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ सम बिजी शेड्यूल विथ बोथ ऑफ अस, either me either him, back to back. So now hopefully we will be back regularly. Let us move to indices analysis for the coming week. June series. This is the Bank Nifty daily chart, Bank Nifty future. I have tweeted on this on Friday morning, early morning. Important Bank Nifty future has an important resistance around 44 200 300 zone. One second. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, I have tweeted on Bank Nifty future levels of 44 200 300 on a Friday morning. And what did Bank Nifty do? It has hit 44 234 and reversed back. Gave a dip all the way till 43 915 900 and then closed around 44,040. Something interesting being formed in a Bank Nifty future over last 2 days. The reason of sharing Bank Nifty view first and tweeting the levels right on time. On Thursday, Bank Nifty future had a very good volume after many days, sessions, say more than a month, almost a month. It has given a breakdown below major support of 43 near 43,800 after 10 to around 12-15 sessions. This support which is marked. On Friday, it did not have a follow through below Thursday lows and reversed back sharply, crossed Thursday highs. Only thing is it failed to close above it. But this is a indication of a false breakdown, breaking below this and reversing back, crossing these highs, breaking with a good high volume and reversing back, which means demand kicking in. Probably if Bank Nifty future does not break 43,600 again, that is the Friday's lows, then probably it is heading towards breaking breakout of this range, which is the highs of 44,500 and moving all the way till 45,200, 45,500 zone. This range which got false broken downside will be reversed back and 45,000 plus may get tested within June series. Be alert with this if 43,600 does not break. So Bank Nifty future is paused at very important reference. 43,600 below, it continues with this down move. And 44 250 300 above, it starts a fresh leg of upside. In both the case, have a stop loss of 300 points, whichever side it breaks. Or you can have a stop loss of, say, round figure of 4,400 close basis, 44,000 close basis. And it is setting up for some big upside if it gives a follow through upside to the Friday's move. If you look at the internals, look at the way this has given a rally and then in the last 1 hour, a rally and then reverse back. But interesting thing, after consolidation, it has given this rally with the good volumes. Now it need a follow through above these highs. Vijay, anything from you on a Bank Nifty on Elliott Wave?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
तुम्हारा हो गया? Yeah. I think अभी के लिए लॉन्ग टर्म व्यू को साइड में रखते हैं. But if we just ignore all these wave labels for now. But अगर हम recent bottom से देखते हैं तो एक impulse wave खत्म होता हुआ दिख रहा है. There's 1 2 probably third here or here, and the fifth seems to be an overlapping structure. इसलिए ये जो फॉल था यहाँ पे काफी वॉल्यूम्स थे. So price has moved down and closed below 20 DMA. In fact 40 DMA भी उसी दिन breach हो गया था, but अगले दिन थोड़ा सा ऊपर आ गया है. If I just pull out, मुझे ये लगता है कि इस बॉटम से ये एक वेव यहाँ खत्म हुआ है, and this is just A B, so probably C down is going to happen. This is my feeling. Assuming कि ये impulse wave नहीं है, बट अगर करेक्शन यहीं पे खत्म हो गया और ये impulse wave है, तो ये जो भी अभी करेक्टिव आ रहा है वो इसका रिट्रेसमेंट होगा. इसका रिट्रेसमेंट होगा मे बी टिल 42 200 एट बेस्ट, इफ दिस इज एन impulse wave. अगर ये impulse wave नहीं है, so it is possible that if this is A and this is B, then C can come down almost close to this red line, which is around 39,420. But hard to say, very hard to say, because market is showing strength in a lot of stocks, broad markets. So I wouldn't bet on a very big correction on that. Any close below 40 DMA, maybe the price will drop to the 100 DMA at best. And if we go down even to the hourly structure, ये करेक्शन देख के तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि A B C करेक्शन खत्म हो गया, and maybe it's beginning a new wave up. So mildly bearish, I would say. Nothing more than that. Back to you, Anand.
Thanks, Vijay.
इसका एक रीजन है, sorry. So if we just go to the biggest components of Bank Nifty, let's look at HDFC. Right. वो मर्जर न्यूज जब से आया है, उस रेंज के अंदर ही चल रहा है इसका प्राइस, राइट. ना तो ये ब्रेकआउट कर रहा है, ना ब्रेक डाउन कर रहा है. HDFC बैंक सेम, यू सी इस टॉप को ब्रीच नहीं किया अभी तक. इसमें काफी महीने निकल गए इसमें, ब्रेक डाउन भी नहीं हो रहा है. So this is like a bit of a drag on the index, but there are other leaders which have emerged. ICICI है तो all time high के पास है, right? Axis Bank is also very bullish right now. The Axis Bank का है. तो ये सब देखो, क्योंकि HDFC twins गिर नहीं रहे, whereas the other ones are only on the upswing. बैंक निफ्टी में बड़ा फॉल दिखेगा. SBI is also doing very well. These are the reasons. Back to you, Anand.
Let's move to Nifty chart. This is Nifty future daily chart. You look at these volumes on Thursday. There were little better volume compared to last few sessions, and on Friday we had much better volume than Thursday. There was a down kick on Thursday from the top. Friday, this complete range got broken. The resistance got broken. The last few days dull move got broken, resistance and with volumes, indicating probably fresh breakout. And the potential targets for this breakout The immediate being 19,050, 19,100, and overall this can give a move all the way till 19,200, 300 zone, and we need to reassess over there. As long as this Friday's lows are held, or best case Thursday lows are held, which was the sell-off candle lows. As long as this 18,730 Nifty future is held, bias remains for the upside in Nifty future for the move towards 19,100, 200. If at all there are volumes higher than 80, 85 lakhs ahead, say in coming week, then we need to be very cautious and have the lows of that candle as a TSL for longs or sell trigger for the short closing basis. I mean 80 lakh plus volume. Until then, this price level will be important, 18,730. As long as this is held in any pullback, upside remains open. Price has been showing good strength over the last 2 days, specifically on Friday after a sell-off on Thursday. There was seller strength on Thursday and buyers demand strength on Friday. Back to back 2 days, some strength has been seen, supply has been seen. So some supply demand action taking place as price approaches the major resistance level, you can say, or all-time high level, breakout level of December highs, whatever one may call. But important thing to note is, although Nifty has been in a minor range or slow dull move in last about a month or so, but individual stocks or mid-cap, small-cap stocks has been giving a excellent moves, and many stocks are showing a breakout towards multi-year highs, multi-year high breakout or long-term breakout patterns. So any move after this, that is after testing 19,100, 200 or from here, any pullback towards lower levels of 18,000 or even below the whatever might be the pullback level, we will be assessing that at that time once we get a sell signal. Focus on accumulating quality mid-cap, small-cap stocks, which are forming an excellent pattern on technical charts, and they can give a multi-bagger move. We need to focus on them more compared to the index because they are showing bigger opportunity ahead. Over to you, Vijay.
Yeah. Like they say, never short a dull market. So, so again, ignore the long-term wave counts. जो भी हमारे चैनल को पिछले 2 साल से फॉलो कर रहे हैं, and they would clearly remember that we were definitely looking for much lower targets on the index. But every time the correction happened, this 100-week moving average has been the point from where वो turn कर रहा है market. बिल्कुल उसको breach करके नीचे गया है कि नहीं. In fact, there was a video which I made clearly where I talked about earlier bear phases. ये वाला phase, right? And this where the price always went to the 200-week moving average, right? In fact, sometimes even lower than that. That's what I was expecting this time also, but it didn't happen. And जब इतने वक्त तक वो होता नहीं है, तो one has to be open कि maybe our expectation was wrong and the market is always right. So again, repeating what Anand said, क्योंकि the rise has not been very fast, the corrections have been shallow. So in a way, it's a boring market. उसको short तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए. उल्टा broader market analysis अगर करते हैं तो बहुत stocks काफी strength दिखा रहे हैं, which means something very bullish is happening on Nifty. Coming to just short-term price action, इसको अगर impulse wave भी माना जाए, तो 1, 2, maybe this is third, fourth, and fifth wave is subdividing into overlapping waves. This is one way to look at it. Otherwise, what if this is one here and 2 here. And this is all part of the third wave. इसका मतलब ये है कि और ऊपर जाएगा, अगर करेक्शन आएगा भी तो 18,600 के आसपास तक आएगा, and then it will head higher. So Nifty is showing that it may not be fast, but it is definitely going higher from here. I'll just show one more chart. जो भी हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में है उन्होंने देखा होगा कि कभी कभी मैं ये गैन स्क्वायर ऑफ 9 के लेवल्स शेयर करता हूँ. आई एम नॉट एक्सपर्ट ऑन गैन और एनीथिंग. मैं भी अभी बस सीख रहा हूँ, बेसिक से सीख रहा हूँ. बट गैन स्क्वायर ऑफ 9 लेवल्स पे अगर हम सिर्फ ध्यान रखें तो 18,838 एक लेवल था जिसको पार करने में काफी टाइम लगा, बट नाउ इट्स क्लोज्ड अबाउट इट. So technically, this level holds. The next target is about 19,391. Only if this breaches can we expect Nifty to come down to this level, which is around 18,000. Yeah. तो यहाँ 18,300 और वहां मैंने ट्रेड टाइगर पे चार्ट से दिखाया 18,600. वहां तक भी मार्केट आना एक बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी है मेरे हिसाब से. So let's look at stocks which have returns possibilities rather than focusing too much on the index, because the index may be very difficult to trade. That's it from me.
That's it from us today. And we'll be back very soon once we get something very interesting happening in a market for a bigger move.
Yep.
Compelling opportunity. But one thing I would like to add, let me show it on a chart. Whenever the correction triggers, looking at the present move in the broader market and a slow and dull move of index, look over here, there was an overlapping move. The correction was very short-lived, short time-wise. Historically, that same has been the case. Whenever the broader markets were showing good strength or signaling a bigger breakout higher side. So probably in this case, the correction was just for 2 months. Price-wise, we don't know how deep correction can come, whether 18,000, 17,000, 16,000, whatever might be the level, 17,500. But time-wise, whenever the correction trigger, I think maximum within 2 months, the correction might get over. And that would be the opportunity whenever the correction trigger start. Right now, you can start looking for the stocks which will be and mark the levels which you are waiting for to accumulate them. And once the correction triggers or you get your stocks to a desired level, you can enter back them. I've already tweeted one guess the stock query or stock identification yesterday. Try to identify that stock, else Monday I'll be sharing the name of the stock. And that stock is looking excellently bullish for an investment perspective. And company is from a good spending by the government sector and the government company. So opportunity is huge. Once the breakout triggers, it can give excellent returns ahead.
Yeah.
Similarly, there are many stocks which are showing excellent strength. Very soon, I'll be covering a couple of stocks with a detailed technical analysis. We'll be doing it based on the price as well as Elliott Wave, both. Couple of stocks we'll be sharing which can give a big opportunity ahead. Till then, hopefully you like this video and share with your friends. Do share your feedback. We are once again trying to make it a regular event for every week, and once we align our professional commitments, hopefully we'll be back again next weekend with a fresh video for the expiry week. Till then, happy trading. Have a good time. Thank you.